There are many snowboard products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best snowboards from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Sports Stuff Wood Boards. Rating 4.3. Size 110 centimeters for riders 40 to 140 pounds. Perfect for beginners. This snowboard will enter you into the world of cruising the slopes. Durable. Hardwood construction for long-lasting, repetitive use. Easy adjusting. Hook and loop binding allows for them to be adjusted easily. Note: no metal edge. Not for resort use. Number 4. APX Complete Men's. Rating 4.4. The MTN is a camera rocker camera profile which greatly increases float and powder and ensures you never catch an edge. The MTN uses the all-new 3D core, centered around tip-to-tail poplar wood, then 2 high-density stringers running just outside the center of the board. Then an artisan-grade heartwood stringer is placed down the center of the board. Simple and classic styling allows these boots to optimize features like metal hooks for superior lace hold and lasting power, combined with the newest tech like the ThermoFit heat moldable liners for customizable fit, and an articulating cuff for smooth flex. You just can't find a better quality boot. Number 3. Camp 7 Redwood. Rating 4.8. RCRX Rocker Camera Rocker and elongated camera section underfoot. Far improved contact length. Blends seamlessly with just enough rocker in the tip and tail for a catch-free ride in the flats. This ultra-durable boot combines superior comfort with peak performance. Simple and classic styling allows these boots to optimize features like metal hooks for superior lace hold and lasting power, combined with the newest tech like the ThermoFit heat moldable liners for customizable fit, and an articulating cuff for smooth flex. You just can't find a better quality boot. Number 2. Storair Board. Rating 4.8. Great for displaying the graphics on your board. 100% aluminum construction, sturdy and lightweight. Sleek black powder coat finish looks stealthy and classy. Thick felt lining protects your board's edges. Made in America. Number 1. Nidaker Merc. Rating 5.0. Get the right start on the slopes. Ideal for kids learning how to ride, feel confident and have fun. Progression begins with confidence, and the Camrock's playful feel will inspire you to take your riding to the next level for all terrain. The Micron Magic will introduce the smallest of groms to snowboarding with minimal stress, and maximum smiles. When kids are really small, it's not always clear if they're regular or goofy. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you, so subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.